In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the if function in Excel. First, we will set up a simple table so the if function has something to work with. Look at the top row of your spreadsheet. In cell A1, type student name. In cell B1, type score. In cell C1, type result. These headers make it clear what each column is for, and they help keep your spreadsheet organized as your data grows. Now that the column labels are in place, we will enter a first example so you can immediately see how the logic works. Move to cell A2 and type Alice. Then go to cell B2 and type 85. As you enter these values, keep an eye on each cell so you know that the name is in column A and the numeric score is in column B. Next, we are going to create the result using the if function. Click cell C2 to select it. This is where Excel will write either pass or fail based on the score you entered. When you are in cell C2, type the formula exactly as follows: =if B2 = 70, pass fail. This formula checks whether the score in B2 is greater than or equal to 70. If the condition is true, Excel returns the text pass. If the condition is not true, Excel returns the text fail. After entering the formula, you need to run it so Excel can calculate the result. Press Enter on your keyboard. You should now see either pass or fail appear in cell C2 depending on the score you entered earlier. This is the moment where you confirm that the if function is working correctly and that your logic is set up the way you want. Once the formula is working for this first row, you can apply the same logic to additional rows without rewriting it. To do that, we will copy the formula downward. Move your mouse cursor over the bottom right corner of cell C2. Take your time here because Excel uses that exact tiny handle for copying. As you hover over the corner, the cursor should change into a thin black cross icon. This icon indicates that you are ready to fill the formula into other cells. When you see that change, double-click the black cross. Double-clicking is useful because Excel typically detects the pattern and fills the formula down the column for as far as there is data or formatting to extend into. If you have more student names and scores listed below, Excel will automatically apply the same pass or fail rule to each matching row. After the fill is complete, review the results in the result column to make sure everything looks right. Each row's output should correspond to whether that row's score meets the 70 threshold. If you want to verify quickly, compare one of the scores in column B to the results shown in column C. The logic should be consistent across all filled rows. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to use the if function in Excel to turn numeric scores into clear pass or fail results.